Hey there, champions, it's Miss Gardner, and today we are going to use our knowledge that we've already gained from ordering our numbers to comparing our numbers. So today we are going to compare our numbers to see which number is bigger and which number is smaller. So if you will look at my symbols at the top, I have two symbols that look kind of like a mouth, and if you watched the video for today, you can see that it's sometimes compared to an alligator mouth. So if you will think of a big mouth opening, and the mouth is going to always eat the biggest number. So it will always open to the biggest number. So let's look at our first set of numbers. I have 60 and 6. Let's use what we already know about 60 and 6. We know that for 60, I have a 6 in my tens place, so I need to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I have a 0 in my ones place, so I don't need any dots. For my number 6, I have no number in my tens place. I just have a 6 in my ones place, so I just need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's compare our two numbers. 60, for the number 60, I have 6 rods, which means I have 6 groups of 10. For the number 6, I don't have any 10s, right? I just have a 6. So that shows me that 60 is bigger than 6. So I need to come up here and look at my symbols, and which one am I going to use to show that 60 is a bigger number? Well, remember, when we are using our symbols, it's like a mouth, and our mouth is always open to the biggest number. So I am going to draw my symbol that looks like this to show that 60 is greater than 6. Okay, let's go down to number 42 and 57. Well, what we already know about 42 is that there is a 4 in my tens place. So I'm going to draw 4 sets of 10, or 4 rods. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And in my ones place, I have a 2, so I'm just going to draw my 2 dots to represent my 2. For my number 57, I have a 5 in my tens place, so I need to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rods, and I need to draw 7 dots to represent my 7 in the ones place. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we need to compare number 42 to number 57 to determine which one is bigger. So let's look at our rods for number 42. I have 4 rods, so 4 sets of 10, and for 57 I have 5 rods, or 5 sets of 10. So automatically I know that there are more rods for the number 57 than the number 42. So my 57 is going to be bigger. Remember that when you are drawing your symbol to show greater than or less than, your mouth is always going to open to the biggest number. So in this case, my 57 is going to be bigger. So I'm going to draw my mouth opening to my biggest number, which is 57. And my symbol is going to look like this, like a hungry alligator trying to eat the biggest number. All right, our last one is 21 and 21. Let's go ahead and draw our rods and dots for 21 and 21. So I have 2 rods for my number 2 in the tens place and 1 dot. And I have 2 rods in my tens place and a 1 dot. Okay, when we compare our rods and dots, we see that they are equal. They are equal. 21 is equal to 21. They are the same amount. So when that is the case, you are just going to draw our third symbol, which is an equal sign, to show that these numbers are equal or are the same value. Okay, so for the numbers 60 and 6, my alligator mouth, or my greater than equal to, my greater than less than sign is open, use this hand, open to the biggest number, which is 60. So 60 is greater than 6. With 42 and 57, we have drawn our rods and dots, and we determined that 57 is a bigger number. So my alligator mouth, or my greater than symbol, is open to my biggest number. So it says that 57 is greater than 42. On the last one, I have 21 and 21. We drew our rods and dots, and we determined that they are the same. They have the same value. So in that case, we are going to draw an equal sign to show that 21 is equal to 21.